Imagine a small team full of passion and dedication. They're running an online bookshop, the Cozy Corner, a place where stories come to life and readers find their next great adventure. They're pouring their hearts into curating unique titles, handpicking each book with care, ensuring every customer finds something special. But as their business grows, fueled by their hard work and the love of their customers, so do the emails, a never-ending stream of notifications. Order tracking inquiries, questions about opening hours, urgent stock requests. The inbox is constantly buzzing, demanding attention. It's becoming overwhelming for Sarah and Tom, the heart and soul of the Cozy Corner. They're struggling to keep up with the demands of a growing business. Late nights become routine, fueled by coffee and a desperate attempt to catch up on the day's tasks. The line between work and personal life is blurring. And unfortunately, customer satisfaction starts to slip. Customers are starting to feel the strain, noticing the delays and the lack of personalized attention. Response times lag, leaving customers waiting longer for answers to their questions and solutions to their problems. This is a common struggle for many businesses: the growing pains of success, the challenge of scaling operations while maintaining quality service. It's a constant juggling act, balancing the demands of growth with the crucial need for effective and timely customer communication. Now picture the Cozy Corner with an AI chatbot, a smart, helpful assistant ready to lend a hand. This digital assistant is working 24/7, tirelessly answering questions and providing support, even when Sarah and Tom are asleep. It's instantly answering about 70% of repetitive queries, freeing up Sarah and Tom to focus on more complex issues and strategic initiatives. Sarah and Tom reclaim their time, their energy, and their passion for the business they love. They're now focusing on complex issues like expanding their selection, improving their marketing, and growing their shop into something even more special. This isn't a fantasy, it's a real possibility for businesses of all sizes. Modern chatbot technology is transforming the way businesses operate, making them more efficient, more responsive, and more customer-centric. It's improving business operations and enhancing customer engagement, creating a win-win situation for both the business and its customers. The best part? It's more accessible than you might think. You don't need coding skills or a big budget to build one. The barriers to entry have been significantly lowered. Thanks to no-code AI chatbot platforms, the power of AI is now in the hands of everyone. Anyone can create a chatbot, no programming required. You don't need to be a tech expert to harness the power of AI. These platforms offer intuitive tools, drag-and-drop interfaces, and pre-built templates, making the process simple and straightforward. They're empowering entrepreneurs and individuals to take control of their customer communication and streamline their business operations. They can design and launch chatbots with ease, quickly deploying these digital assistants to their websites, social media channels, and messaging apps. So, what is a chatbot exactly? Let's break it down. Simply put, it's AI software designed to interact with humans. It simulates human conversation, understanding and responding to questions in a natural and engaging way. Chatbots understand user queries, processing the information, and identifying the intent behind the question, and they respond naturally, providing helpful answers and guiding users through various tasks. This interaction can happen whether typed or spoken, making chatbots incredibly versatile and accessible. Businesses use them for customer service, providing instant support and resolving common issues. They also use them for sales lead qualification, identifying potential customers and guiding them through the sales process. Chatbots can even be used for internal support, assisting employees with common tasks and answering their questions. And they're perfect for interactive marketing, engaging customers with quizzes, surveys, and personalized recommendations. Their versatility is driving rapid adoption across industries from healthcare to finance to retail. With no-code tools, the possibilities are endless. Building a helpful digital assistant is no longer a complex and expensive undertaking. It's now accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills or budget. The future of customer communication is here. It's conversational, it's personalized, and it's powered by AI. And it's easier than ever to get started, so why not explore the possibilities and see how a chatbot can transform your business? Integrating AI chatbots brings immediate, tangible benefits to your business. It's not just about keeping up with the latest tech trends. It's about making strategic improvements that directly impact your bottom line and enhance your operational efficiency. The most obvious benefit? Instant responses. Customers get answers anytime, day or night. This constant availability ensures that no potential customer is left waiting, and no query goes unanswered regardless of the hour. This boosts satisfaction and loyalty, as people hate waiting for replies. In today's fast-paced world, immediate gratification is key, and chatbots deliver just that. Chatbots also free your team from repetitive questions, letting them focus on complex, high-value tasks. This allows your skilled employees to dedicate their time and energy to projects that truly require their expertise. This shift increases productivity and reduces burnout. By automating routine inquiries, chatbots contribute to a more sustainable and engaging work environment. Studies show chatbots cut customer service costs and increase conversion rates by engaging leads right away. They provide instant support and guidance, nurturing potential customers through the sales funnel. For example, a local bakery used a chatbot for custom cake orders and saw a 30% jump in qualified leads in just 3 months. This demonstrates the power of chatbots in capturing and converting potential customers. Internally, chatbots streamline processes, like onboarding new employees with instant HR answers. New hires can get immediate assistance with common questions, reducing the burden on HR staff. This makes information accessible and reduces the load on your staff. Employees can quickly find the information they need, improving their efficiency and job satisfaction. Whether for customers or employees, chatbots drive efficiency and satisfaction. They are a versatile tool that can benefit all stakeholders in your business. The impact is clear. Chatbots are a smart investment for any business. They offer a compelling return on investment and can help you achieve your business goals. Ready to build your chatbot? Start by choosing the right no-code platform. These platforms are designed for simplicity with drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built templates. You can launch a chatbot without writing a single line of code. Popular options include Botpress for complex flows, Landbot for engaging landing pages, and ManyChat for social media integration. Tidio and Crisp combine live chat with chatbot features for seamless handovers. To choose, define your main goal: customer support, lead generation, or internal help. Consider where you'll deploy the bot website, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and your budget. Most platforms offer free trials so you can experiment before committing. Your chatbot's intelligence comes from the information you provide. Start by listing common questions your customers or employees ask. Create clear quanda pairs, considering different ways people might phrase the same question. Group related questions into topics like shipping, returns, or product details. Prioritize must-know answers and design the bot to hand off complex queries to a human when needed. Organize everything in a spreadsheet or document, noting question variations, answers, and keywords. A well-structured knowledge base is the core of a smart, helpful chatbot. A great chatbot isn't just smart, it's easy to use. Design conversations as clear pathways, guiding users step by step. Use visual flow builders to map out interactions, starting with a warm welcome. Keep language simple and concise, and use buttons or quick replies for common choices. Plan for misunderstandings. If the bot can't answer, suggest rephrasing, offer help topics, or connect to a human. Focus on your chatbot's main goal, like booking appointments, and keep flows efficient. Break information into short, digestible messages. Test everything from a new user's perspective to catch confusion before launch. User-friendly design keeps people coming back. Your chatbot is a digital ambassador. Its personality shapes user perception. Decide if it should be formal or friendly, matching your brand's voice and audience expectations. Consistency builds trust, so define the tone. Will it use emojis, be witty, or stick to the facts? Give your chatbot a name, and if possible, an avatar to make it memorable and approachable. Make sure these choices fit your brand image. Above all, your chatbot should be helpful, empathetic, and clear, acknowledging frustration and guiding users. Use positive, simple language and avoid jargon. A well-aligned personality makes your chatbot engaging and trustworthy. Once your chatbot is ready and you've thoroughly tested its functionality, it's time to unleash it into the real world. Deploying it is surprisingly simple, especially with the rise of modern no-code platforms that offer intuitive interfaces. For integrating your chatbot into websites, the process often involves simply copying and pasting a provided code snippet directly into your site's HTML. Alternatively, you can often leverage a dedicated plugin, streamlining the integration process even further. Connecting your chatbot to social media platforms like Facebook, allowing it to interact with your audience through Messenger or even Instagram, opening up new avenues for customer engagement. The connection process is usually just a few clicks away, thanks to the simplified integration options offered by these platforms. This strategic deployment lets you reach your customers directly where they already spend their time, fostering seamless communication. Let's look at some real-world examples to illustrate the tangible impact chatbots are having across various industries. Consider a florist who implemented a chatbot and saw a significant boost in after-hours sales by enabling customers to place orders even when the shop was closed. Or an IT firm that leveraged a chatbot to handle common inquiries, resulting in a remarkable 40% reduction in support tickets. And a nonprofit organization that streamlined their volunteer sign-up process with a chatbot, making it easier for people to get involved. Building and deploying a chatbot is now within anyone's reach, regardless of their technical background or coding experience. The user-friendly interfaces and intuitive tools make chatbot development accessible to everyone, regardless of tech skills. We've covered the essentials in this guide, providing you with a solid foundation for your chatbot journey. We've explored the numerous benefits of chatbots and how to choose the right platform for your specific needs. We've also delved into the importance of structuring your knowledge base and designing engaging conversations. Finally, we touched upon crafting a unique personality for your bot and the deployment process. Today's tools are not only powerful but also incredibly user-friendly, making the entire process more accessible. The rewards that await you are substantial, including improved customer satisfaction scores, leading to increased loyalty and positive word of mouth. You'll also experience increased efficiency in your operations, freeing up valuable time and resources. Ultimately, this leads to a reduced workload for your team, creating a better work-life balance. So, start small. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and functionalities and see firsthand how chatbots can transform your business or project, unlocking new levels of success.